trio trip. We outside.
Yo,
Well,
I'm early. I'm early for one.
Two-thirds of the trio.
Hey man, stay man. It's your boy JB, J Bands. What is
Aw, twins. So cute. I'll tell y'all what we're doing in the morning.
We're just gonna live in the moment tonight.
Yeah. I'll see you guys in the morning. In the morning we're going to the lake. So or not the lake. We're going on a boat is what I meant. So I'll see you guys in the morning. I'm a boss, bitch, you don't fuck me. I'm a boss, bitch, you don't fuck me. Okay, so it's the next day. We're about to go to the lake, or not the lake, the boat. The boys are ready. I'll see you guys when we're eating breakfast, because literally what we're about to go do. See you guys in a sec.
Alright guys, keep an eye out for food. I'm gonna be a vegetarian.
Since you think food is weird.
What'd I say?
Food is weird.
Food is weird?
Yeah.
No, the way JB eats it is.
He said food is weird.
So JB's weird, so food is weird?
Yes, the way he eats his food is weird.
At least I eat.
I eat too.
Not by the looks of it.
Take some melatonin.
Let's help him go to sleep.
Exactly.
Why would I go? Unlike you, we don't all find sleeping fun.
I like sleeping.
We know.
Look at JB still in school.
I'm not doing this. Why she assigned us 7 stuff to do today?
Grandma, are you excited to go on the boat today? You're excited?
Say what?
Are you excited to go on the boat?
That's okay. Last time she got sick. Last time I got sick, so I didn't really. No.
That's for deep sleep.
Last time you got burned.
Last time you had fun. You was on the water like this.
Yeah,
doing the splits.
and I had my burn. Oh, okay.
He said, oh. She said, oh, okay. Damn.
Huh? Beat your bitch back down. I'm gonna hold her back down.
You don't know the words.
WWE SmackDown.
It's currently 10:13. I look so washed out right now. Okay, so we are here where we're gonna get the boat. We stopped and got Hardee's. Why do I look so washed out? I got a burger. JB got a burger. Cam got a burger.
And I got me a large fry with a large sweet tea.
And I told Cam to go get me a half and half. And he came out with no half and half, so I had to go in
First of all,
myself.
let me tell y'all. So, old girl had a whole sweet tea. She got a whole sweet tea, and I said, "Let me just buy you a lemonade, and you can mix it."
No, but I'm drinking this on the boat, so I'm finishing my sweet tea now, and I'm saving my half and half for later.
I don't know.
No, it's not giving. Now Cam has a lemonade, and I have my half and half. See, if you want something done right, you gotta do it yourself. Behind every man is a woman.
Didn't I tell you? I said.
What did you get, JB? Give us a little haul.
I got a gator pig.
And what else did you get?
Some sunflower seeds.
What sunflower seeds? What kind?
Some dill pickle.
You sound like somebody's grandpa.
I am.
Are you happy now?
Yes, ma'am.
Grandma, what did you do? What did you get to eat?
I got this stuff. What is it?
A biscuit?
Biscuit, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And a lemonade.
Was it
And
good?
a lemonade.
Very good. And the, what is it? The
Tater tots.
Mm.
We still got video star.
Huh?
I still got
Don't
video
it out until you
Maybe
do.
I just want a video
you
star.
really find out you don't want them. Because you go out there in 3-4 hours or something like that. 2-3 hours, you know?
Yeah.
Alright, now you doing it because it's exposing me.
How you feel?
So how you edit?
I know. I should have brought my Advil just in
Yeah,
case.
My mom has some.
Oh, okay.
Oh, they don't give me something.
With the friends? No way.
Paparazzi.
Hey guys.
Are you okay?
Welcome back.
We're on the boat. Baby.
You can leave it in there.
We're on the boat. About to push off.
Oh, who getting ox?
Who's got the music? You? One of you guys got the music?
Not Cam.
Oh,
Not Cam.
Oh,
I'll do it.
It's a lame. Right?
At this spot called Crab Island, and it's basically like the shallow part. So the main part of Crab Island is over there, where there's like a bunch of boats and there's like restaurants on boats. But we're over here, right? There's a little less people, and it's super shallow. Like literally, probably goes up to like here. But it's really good. And I think the water's gonna be a little bit chilly at first. How does it feel, JB? Go.
Oh, it's cold.
Yeah, you gotta get used to it. It's gonna be just like the ocean before. But yeah, we're about to be here for a little bit. This is where we're spending the day today. Tomorrow we're doing shopping and parasailing. It's gonna be fun. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, we're at this place called Lulu's. It's around 4 o'clock. We get to return the boat at 5. I'm so tired. Okay, so we're sitting down and we're about to order.
What?
JB, what drink did you get?
What?
Stop. What drink did you get? A smoothie?
A smoothie.
What kind?
Strawberry.
Great. What did you get, Cam?
A strawberry daiquiri.
Strawberry mango daiquiri?
I don't taste mango.
He probably just put strawberry in it. Yes, we're about to order soon. I'll see you guys when we get food. I'm not really hungry. My mom told me this dinner. Anyway.
Oh, really? Okay.
We're gonna go out and I think we're gonna take our graduation pictures. JB's first time eating gumbo. Oh, oh, oh.
You want to try okra? Try okra.
I already know what okra is.
Try it.
You so black as well.
Try the okra.
No.
Yes. It's actually.
I just said I know what okra tastes like.
But do you?
Yes, that's why I said it.
You look like you're about to cry.
I don't really like that. Maybe say, can I get a cup of gumbo?
What about it?
That's a bowl.
Okay.
I feel like those cameramen that be like zooming on people's face, they be like,
You wanna try one?
he really wants you to try that okra, JB.
Who's your okra?
Shrimp and grits,
Alright guys.
shrimp tacos.
Pod. It's probably like 3 or 4.
Dolphins! They're literally right here. They're literally right here.
Oh.
Right there.
We're over them. Oh no. Oh my god.
Much they're right
We're
here.
right over them.
Like right there. Oh my goodness, they're literally right here. Not us going faster than them.
Right there, watch.
Whoa.
right in front of us.
Oh my goodness.
That's crazy.
They're everywhere. Aww. There he is. I was like, there was one right next to us.
See them? There's some right here, right under us.
They're literally right there.
There's a ton.
There's like 4 right here. I'm gonna go up.
There you go. Oh my gosh, you just jumped.
We are about to go take graduation pictures. Her. This is a different dress than I wore. Why'd you walk like that? These are different, a different dress that I wore for graduation. I do not know what's up with my camera.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Awesome. Both of y'all.
Thank you.
3 of us.
You did not graduate.
Right, where is your Cappy Gap?
It's not
And
good.
then we got the twin right here, and then we got Julian. Is it going up?
No.
It's going up.
Maybe someone else pressed the button too.
Those dudes so cute.
And we ain't got enough room for them.
There's only 3 of us.
Right, that's good. They sound like the baddest.
Y'all coming out?
No.
No, we're not now.
Say that one more time.
Oh, my camera look.
The gym is locked. Yes.
My camera is like
Okay.
fine.
I'm scared that I keep mine.
Cam's having a panic attack.
What?
Hmm? Hey, Cam. Why do you look like that?
I look good? Yeah.
No. It's definitely not what I was gonna say. Okay, so we finished taking pictures. They were like mediocre. But we went to this place. Cam wanted a donut, but they were sold out. So we went and got cupcakes. I got water, they got cupcakes. Cam just used a freaking porta potty. So now we're just gonna walk back. We're just like walking around this area. But I've been riding a bike in a dress. Let me just say, it's giving very much body yaddy 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 yaddy. What?
You hear me?
What? Yay. You want this?
Actually,
I thought they gave us our own.
You don't wear goggles up there? Why would you wear goggles?
for when they dip me in the water.
Boy, they're not gonna put you underwater. Dip your feet.
No. Remember the video
They don't
said
put you underwater. That's
video
only
said-
if it's an emergency.
more than likely they're gonna dip you in the water.
They're gonna dip you, not drop you.
You black people so loud.
Hey guys, it's
14 an hour.
ooh. Oh jeez. You have like 2 more days. This is JV's last day. Today we're going shopping and then we're going parasailing.
Yeah, you wish yours was moving.
Yours definitely was not. Fit check. Oh, my shirts are from Garage. My pants are from either Paxton or Garage. Probably Garage. My hair tie is from Forever
No, you
21.
look good. Route 21, Ross, Nike.
Period. Where's your outfit from? Shirts from? A website he's supposed to promote. Pants
Yeah.
from?
I think this came from, you know.
Anyways, shoes from Nike.
Where did
Period.
Nike from? What?
He said your bag.
The Sixes got a couple wet wipes with them bums
used to
be
give me this when I was
licking.
younger.
If it's wants to
Are you a Bob? Okay, so we are currently outside taking pictures. There's Cam Bam. I'm gonna help you out and get content for your channel. It's so hot out here, y'all. I forgot, I'm not wearing my Apple Watch. I usually am. Let's see how hot it is today. This helicopter keeps going around. There's palm trees. This shopping center is so cute. It's like a boardwalk mixed with this shopping center. There's like a Ferris wheel. Let's say merry-go-round. A Ferris wheel, palm tree pictures. There's like shopping all up and down here. There's a bunch of room. But we're about to go to stores. JB wants to get a hat. We might, I don't know, we're just kind of just walking around. We have our parasailing at 5, but we have to leave here by 3. JB's eating candy.
JB is the goat.
JB's been taking our pictures this whole weekend.
My skin so good right there.
Period. Wait. What's up, Phil? That would be so awkward. I'm hot. I kind of want like, do I want ice cream or do I want like?
People?
I don't know.
You got a whole store?
I want like drinks. I don't know.
There's carnivals, zombies, werewolves, or the Spanish guys.
Oh! I thought you were Cam. When I heard Cam's voice over there, I did not know who you were. Oh my gosh.
Have fun, guys.
Carnival? Okay.
I'm public zombies.
Please.
She's scared.
She scared me. I thought that was you, and I was like, why are you touching me? But I was like, okay, whatever. And then you were, I heard your voice over there, and I was like, what the heck? Okay.
All right, so 2?
3. I would say y'all can cash at me, but I don't know if I trust your. You owe me money. You owe me lots of money. Anyway.
Let's round up my pay to 30 because I've only taken like 2 days.
No. $36 plus. Well, $13.
If anything, I should be charging you for these pictures I've been taking.
So $49.
I should be cash out. I mean, you should be.
Okay.
Round it to $45. Oh yeah, 40.
45.
40,
Yeah, 45. 45. Yep. 45.
Except 40.
Here's your receipts. We have documentation for that later.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna pick you guys in that car lane over there by the wall.
Okay.
Hope you know, I have amazing fingers, so I can do it really fast.
We're about to get on this XD ride, I think.
So, anyways, we're getting on Sexy Ride. We're doing zombies. Oh no, we're doing carnival.
It's supposed to spit water in our face.
To spit water and air.
So, you know, we hear that thing almost.
Yeah.
With the clowns?
So it's gonna shoot stuff.
Bonus points, bonus points, bonus points.
Don't get shot.
That's the whole point.
Is that a threat?
It's a bit dark.
Here we go,
Yeah,
y'all.
I'm gonna come back when we almost done.
We about to shoot it up, y'all.
Yeah.
Y'all can see in my glasses what I'm looking at.
Y'all can start recording after you see I come in first.
Please fasten your seatbelts. The ride will start
You
soon.
still got, wait, can you see?
I mean, it's just dark, but you can see. Oh.
Step right up, don't be shy. We've got prizes, we've got surprises. Take your best shot, I dare you to try. Get to the Look.
Oh, as I should! Yeah! You last! You loser! Yeah.
So lame. I can't
Yeah.
first. Real talk.
Not you lost.
Like I said, I'm just too golden.
Yo.
The way that I actually kept screaming.
I'm a shooter.
Oh yeah, the system messed you up.
Glasses right on top of you.
No, I most definitely came in first.
Like I only hit him once. I only hit him once. Yo. Why did some of those when they were just pop up that actually scared me? Or I feel like all the mall stuff is back there.
Yeah.
Let's go this way. Okay, I'll see you guys when we find where we're going.
Alright, hold this. Let's see. See if this will just take my money.
I'm just trying a different dollar. I'm screaming. Put it in the other way.
What are you waiting for?
Oh my
Come on
gosh.
over. For a
Now he's
small
yelling at you.
fee, Zoltar will give you a wealth of wisdom.
I give up.
Flip it around.
I did. Flip it this way.
Have you ever wondered why the smart people seem to have questions?
He's not real. Oh my gosh. Where are his legs?
Dirty ass, what do you call it? Sweaty ass dollar?
Yeah.
Please walk along with you. Your fortune is mine for the telling, and yours for the hearing.
There we go. He just didn't like your
Come
dollars.
closer and listen to what Zoltar has to
Get
tell you.
closer.
Dream as
Not you, Cam.
live forever. Live as if you
Fingers
die
ass.
today. That's right. You must live your days as if they were your last. Because one day they will be. You know what I mean. So go on, have fun, and surrender more cash for more wisdom from the great Zoltar.
Dang. What'd it say?
You've been wondering if you have spent your time wisely. A man that is young in years may be old in hours if he has lost no time. If you're old, then you know you have not wasted any time. If you feel young, then do not waste a day before you now. Remember a day in the 14th of the die, do not worry. If something is good, be careful over the years not to let it dissolve the beauty. Play now.
So do they have a slower version?
So this a ripoff?
Dude said, I don't know what that means. Anyway,
So it's telling me to live my life to its fullest every day.
basically. Okay guys, we're in Target right now.
Target.
Where do we go? We went to Forever 21 and we shopped there for a little bit, or they really did. I didn't buy none. JB's buying color crayons for his school project. And now we're just looking at cheese, apparently.
And we're about to go to Buffalo Wild Wings.
Cam is so excited to go to
Because
Buffalo.
I want some wings.
So,
I like wings.
that's where we're gonna go next.
And fries.
We took pictures.
And ranch.
Why don't they have fucking
Because
spicy?
they got some good ranch.
We took pictures. Y'all, look, I literally...
Ranch. Do they like ranch? Do y'all like ranch?
Anyways, look, I literally have 2 posts. Wait, it's gonna focus? I literally have 2 posts ready to post, which by the time this video's out, I think they should already all be posted. But stay on for swallow.
Does it make ice or not?
I don't know.
But we got a white refrigerator. Not a white refrigerator. Look like a model. Julian. Lord, we lost our son.
We need to do our handshake. JB! Hey Siri. FaceTime TikTok princess.
FaceTime TikTok princess. How did we lose him? We should put him in one of those leashes.
Like the ones that's like a backpack
Yeah.
and you can pull it. Come on. Come back over here. Hi JB. Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
the nuts, jerky, gum, mint, dried fruit.
Aren't you allergic to peanuts?
Aren't you allergic to peanuts?
I literally just named like 6 other snacks other than nuts.
Why did you leave? I don't even see you.
Ooh, they got blue Takis. Never seen that before. Now I'm in the chips and multi-pack snacks.
Jimmy,
What?
Jimmy.
What with a waddle?
Jimmy, let's do our handshake.
I like how a bunch of the stuff here is cheap. I've never seen beef jerky under 5 minutes. Money, dollars.
Let's do our handshake.
How much is it?
I literally just said under 5, so
Ready?
it's not
Staying the price.
Oh, so it's not it. Okay.
Ooh, flaming extra. These might be.
Cam, what's our handshake?
Huh?
We never made one.
I did. I told you we should do.
No. Yeah.
What with a waddle?
Come here. Walk back.
What with a waddle? Stay on full throttle. Live in the spot. I'm sorry, Mom.
Why don't you
Ha.
get a chip that you know you're
Ha.
gonna like, or get a smaller pack of it?
Okay, y'all ready to go eat?
Yeah.
look at the boys' aisle.
Okay, let's go because we gotta go soon. But Jimmy, you gotta hurry. Come on. Let's see guys what we're eating.
I mean,
We at Buffalo Wild Wings per.
I get a little hangry when I don't finish.
Yeah, we know.
How?
Because you got an attitude with your short sew.
I had an attitude.
With your short sew. He's like a little mumskin, an angry mumskin.
When I didn't get my dinner, I don't know why I felt like that last night. I just felt,
Irritated.
yeah.
This is our last night. We got wild out. We're not gonna be inside. No.
We're gonna make some YouTube videos.
Oh, we have to make YouTube videos.
I'm gonna eat a lot of food.
No.
We have to.
This morning,
Huh?
the bathroom.
What about it?
Anyways.
Oh.
Anyways, we have to record a YouTube video tonight though. Thank you.
Like half the table smells like perfume, then half of it smells like blue cheese. Blue cheese and
Anyways, I'll see you guys when we get our food. I'm either gonna record 1 video or 2 videos. I'm gonna try and record 2, just depending on timing. I have this pimple right here and I won't go with it. I lied, we already got our food and ate, so we have to go. Oh, it's in my cheek. We just changed in Target. Ew, the Starbucks Club. For the parasailing.
Might change my shirt.
You did? You did?
I said I think I might.
Oh yeah? So what?
I bought a shirt.
You did? Let me see.
You gonna waste it?
It's not wasted.
Yes, you
I'm
wasted
wasting.
it away.
Uh-oh, left it in the store. Black? Seriously, you wear all black shirts. Every shirt you've worn so far has been black. Yeah, that's probably gonna be better out there, honestly.
Oh, we forgot to get.
Well, we gotta see, gotta find it. Like, I'm gonna take a picture of them before they get on the boat because they can't take any cameras and stuff.
I like this shirt.
Empty your pockets.
Better at vlogging. These last 2 days were like so like I didn't really vlog much. But we went parasailing. It was super duper fun. I have pictures on my Instagram. If I can get some. They didn't take any videos, which they were supposed to take videos because it came in our package. But they didn't. Also insert some pictures on the screen now. But they're kind of blurry. So yeah, but all the pictures that you guys saw us take in this 2-part series, all my pictures are posted, and I have new pictures as well, so you guys should definitely check them out on my Instagram. There's still more to the video, but I just wanted to like let you guys know I love you guys so much. Okay, keep watching. What is leaving? How is this camera dead? I just put it on the charger. I just put the wrong battery back in. I'll see you guys in the car. Cam.
I'm sad.
JB left yesterday.
My twin left. He gonna beat me up.
I got so much darker, and that's good. But the only thing is now I need new makeup, and I got burnt on my nose.
I got me some chlorophyll.
For my skin, I'm gonna do an Aztec face mask.
Yeah, and I got me the what's that thing? A glow.
Oh yeah.
What is it called? I forgot.
Yeah, I think that's what it's called.
Akusha.
Anyways, I'll see you.
Agawusha.
Alright, let's go.
I'll see you on the car. Okay guys, not gonna cap. Whenever we got in the car, I literally went to bed. So I'm home. Cam is here. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog out. Cam is spending the night one more time because we're hanging out tomorrow. We're meeting our roommates for college.
Save me.
Boy, get in the car. Pack your things. Let's go. Anyways, thank you guys so very much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any other video ideas, comment them down in the comments below, and don't forget I am dropping my curly hair routine at 50k subscribers. Thank you to everyone who's already subscribed, and if you have not already, subscribe and join the family. I love you guys so very much. Have a wonderful morning, evening, or night wherever you are in this wonderful world. I'll see you guys all next time. Bye. Stay safe, babes. Mwah.